You will need 10 eggs separated, the yolks whisked together with half a cup of powdered sugar until they're pale and creamy. Mix in a third of a cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil until they're well combined. Now sift in a cup and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt, and fold gently to combine. In another bowl, beat the egg whites, gradually adding 2 cups of powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the egg whites into the flour mixture in 2 parts, being careful not to deflate the egg whites. Spread the batter evenly onto a prepared baking sheet. Using a stick or the handle of a spoon, draw lines in the batter first lengthwise, then crosswise without lifting the stick fully, to create a pattern. Bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is still hot, immediately turn it onto a fresh piece of parchment paper and roll it up along the long side. Let it cool completely. Next, for the filling, mix 2/3 of a cup of cottage cheese, a 1/4 cup of mascarpone, half a cup of heavy cream, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar until smooth. Once the cake is cooled, gently unroll it, spread the filling evenly over the cake, then re-roll it. Place the filled roll in the refrigerator for a few hours to set. Before serving, dust with additional powdered sugar if desired. Don't forget to share your experiences below and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more delicious recipes. Here's to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. Happy cooking, everyone!